I think Mindanao is. If you talk about federalism, it would affect the island of Mindanao, and it's a dream. It's the swan song ng Mindanaoans. Federalism. I think with a big, siguro nakalimutan ko ng figures. But with 160 billion, we can run the country.
Do we have that in Mindanao, Mayor?
140, Pastor. But we can, on our own. Kasi hindi kasali yung mga iba-ibang ano dyan eh. Mga local taxes which we can reorient and rearrange. But I would never advocate for the federal separate country or federal state at the expense of the republic. I am not ready to destroy the map that I see or that I have seen since childhood. Yung mapa na Pilipinas, na gusto ko yung yan. Oh.
Yes.
Baka tanggalin mo yan, isang mapa, isang island na lang, mahirap yan. You know what is hard for the Filipinos to attain that? Maraming hindi nakakuha niyan. Sabi nila madali. Very hard. Ngayon ang Davao City, it's a melting pot. There's a lot of tribal representations dito. Ilocano, marami dito. North Davao, North Cotabato, almost ang ano diyan, Ilocano, Ilonggo dito sa Davao. South Cotabato is Ilonggo. Davao City is a mixture of Bulanons, Liteños, Cebuanos. Alam mo, you have to explain to them na ganito yan. It is not really, kung magpayag yan, o ayaw hindi magpayag, it's because that he would never allow to cut this psychological umbilical cord. Pagkakaya ng Cebuano, magsabi yan, paano yung mga Cebuano? Kababayan niya, kadugo niya yung iba eh. Hindi, wala na sila, hindi nagkasaya. Hindi. Paano yung nanay ko doon sa Bohol? Iwan ko kasi yung ibang anak sa Bohol, yung nanay no. Tapos mag-separate ka dito. Paano kung magpunta yung nanay ko dito? Eh, kailangan na ng bagong passport. Ibig sabihin, hindi na sila makapasok. Hindi na. Hindi. The hardest to overcome is the psychological umbilical cord of Filipinos.